Here's a new 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.